Hi everyone, this is Shino Saito. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite pasta. This is easy to make and perfect for weekday lunch or dinner. I will show you 4 basic techniques to lift up ordinary store-bought pasta sauce to a restaurant level. 4 techniques. 1. Dredging. 2. Creating aromatics. 3. Sweating. 4. Deglazing. These are the ingredients. Spinach fettuccine and big shrimps are the perfect combination with creamy pasta sauce. To elevate the taste of the store-bought sauce, I add carrot, celery, and onion. And don't forget a clove of garlic. Before everything, start boiling a lot of water. Set a cast iron skillet and a sieve to drain the pasta. Okay, now let's prepare the shrimps first. Frozen shrimps are usually coated with ice, so you need to thaw and drain the water. I thawed my shrimps and drained the water very well now. Then season with salt, paprika, and pepper. Pre-seasoning enhances the taste of shrimps so much. Paprika is a must-have with spice for seafood pasta, I believe. Then peppers. I use peppercorn mix. It has black peppercorns, green peppers, and red ones. Mixed peppers are much flavorful. Now mix well. At this point, if you see any excess water in the bowl, get rid of it. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour. If you are avoiding flour, you can use potato starch instead. This process is called dredging. Mix well to cover with the flour. This way you can keep moisture and flavors of the shrimps inside. Then set aside. Next, let's cut the vegetables. I'm fast forwarding this process. I'm just coarsely chopping the vegetables. Have you heard of the word aromatics? It is a basis of dishes like sauce and soup. A classic aromatic sautéed vegetable mix of onion, carrot, and celery in small amount of fat like olive oil or butter. It is called sofrito in Italian and mirepoix in French. Like this, I'm making an easy version of aromatics to enhance the store-bought pasta sauce. The basic proportion of vegetables are 2 parts onion, 1 part carrots, and 1 part celery. This is the basic combination. Then you can add garlic, parsley, rosemary, or bay leaf, depending on what you are cooking. I'm adding a clove of garlic today. Alright, all the ingredients are ready to be cooked now. Now pour some olive oil in the frying pan. Then transfer the coarsely chopped vegetable in the pan. Sprinkle some salt and cook gently over a low heat. After adding salt, stir a few times, then cover with a lid. This is another important technique. It is called sweating. You see the steam from the vegetables. Literally, I'm letting the vegetables sweat. This procedure adds really nice aroma and flavor of vegetables to your dish. Sweating is more about softening, not browning, so remember to adjust the heat time to time. You don't want to brown or burn your vegetables. Let the vegetables sweat until vegetables look transparent and tasty. While sweating the vegetables, let's check how long I should cook the spinach pasta. It says 2 to 4 minutes. This pasta needs shorter cooking time comparing to ordinary ones, so I will finish making the sauce first. Okay, now the vegetables are all wet and transparent. This easy version of sofrito is ready. Move the sofrito to the side of the pan, then turn up the heat to high, and add some more olive oil for the shrimps. Now I'm going to sear the shrimps. At this point, no need to cook thoroughly. I just cook the surface of the shrimps. Sear over the high heat so that you can caramelize extract of the vegetables and the shrimps. Flip over and cook the other side too. If you have white wine, add a quarter cup of it now. I didn't have any in my kitchen today, so I am omitting the process. Add the Alfredo sauce over the shrimps. A silicone spatula is convenient to scrape out the sauce. Then stir well with a wooden spoon. Make sure to remove and dissolve the caramelized bit that is sticking to the bottom of the pan into the sauce. To scrape off the bits from the bottom of the pan, this kind of wooden spoon is really useful. Now let's cook the spinach pasta. Add the pasta into the boiling water and cook for the time following the package. I set my timer for 2 minutes. The sauce is nearly ready. At this point, the shrimps will be fully cooked. If you overcook shrimps, they get really small, so pay attention and adjust the cooking time. Set to the plates. Okay, now let's drain the pasta. From now, I'm going to move very quickly. I drained the pasta in the sink and then transfer to the pasta into the pasta sauce. Oh, my camera is upside down, but never mind, this process has to be done very quickly. Then stir well. Let the pasta absorb the sauce. The reason that I cooked my pasta for the minimum time is to cook with the sauce at this point, so that the pasta will be combined well with the sauce. Turn off the heat. For the final treat, cover with a lid for a minute. Let them rest and steam. Alright, the pasta is finally done. Let's transfer them to the plates. To plate the pasta like a restaurant, you can just spin the tongs like this. Then place the shrimps on top of the pasta. In this video, I showed you 4 tips to enhance the taste of the pasta. 1. Dredging. 2. Creating aromatics. 3. Sweating. 4. Deglazing. You can use the techniques not only for pastas but also any kind of wet dish like stew, soup, curry, beans, and so on. If you adapt these 4 culinary skills, you can cook like a chef instantly. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.